Hey, I'm Paul with Pura Vida. We're in the Pura Vida headquarters here in La Jolla, California. I think it's been like crazy from the start. We didn't start Pura Vida to really be a business. It was just like a project in the beginning, and it's just kind of like snowballed into like this business where we're supporting all these artisans worldwide and providing jobs to people in La Jolla and really just like creating a difference. And I think it's just like very humbling to look back on like what we've built and also the years forward on what like is the possibility and what we can keep on building. The Bold Subscriptions app allows us to offer our full entire subscription program to our customers, as well as providing the back-end support that our customer service team needs, our inventory forecasting team needs, as well as like our merchandise planning team. So basically, it's the whole backbone of our subscription program. I think the app's been incredibly helpful in running the subscription part of our business. It's kind of taken all the guesswork out of it and taken all the manual lifting out of it. Now it's kind of on autopilot, and it's on us to focus on like the marketing instead of focusing on like the operations of the subscription.
Our monthly subscription is growing at a rate that we couldn't even imagine. It's doing amazing, and Bold makes it super easy to get all data information that we need to export reports we need for customers, and the growth through Bold makes the growth through the subscription amazing.
And I would just trust, in people that have done it before you, and we're an example of someone who uses the Bold app and who really truly loves working with Bold, and it's provided like drastic improvement to our business.